So today I'm going to be attempt to fix my metal frame to basically sort of a gluing it back. You can see the separation there along this line here. So I'm going to be using this product from Amazon to try to reattach my glasses here. So I'm going to be, once I apply the glue or the solution, and use the light to actually seal it, I'm gonna be using this clip to clamp down this part here so it will stay for maybe, I don't know, 30 seconds or a minute. Make sure it attaches correctly and tightly. So simply gonna be maybe using one or two of these, maybe smaller sizes, might be a little too big. I have different sizes. So this is the product. Basically, you open the cap here and then you squeeze on this tube to apply the liquid. Let me put it back. And then you cure your treatment by this UV light. You turn the knob here and then you go over the glue, where the glue is. It's not actually glue, just some sort of liquid. I'm going to clean the area on my right here with alcohol. Just dip it in alcohol and just kind of go over the metal a little bit to remove any grease, anything like that there. I can spray it here. Okay, let's go over as much as you can. You might not be able to do all of them, but I'll try. Some sort of squirrel making noise, sorry about that, in my backyard. Okay, I think that's good enough. So I'm going to try to apply onto surface here and avoid touching the lens on the top. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this. Hopefully I don't make a mess here. And then go ahead and oops, I got some on the lens. Oh well. And then I'm gonna use this clip to clamp it down, okay? I think I have enough there to be probably too much. Go ahead and let me close this. Go ahead and touch this. Okay, I don't know, it's gonna be tight enough. I'm gonna doing this. Probably this my hand first, and then go ahead and turn this light on. Okay. On top here, I'm gonna go ahead and try to test as much as possible. hold it tight enough. I still see a little gap between the lens and the frame. I don't want to break anything. Yeah, I'm not sure it's tight enough. That's a problem. Well, I'm gonna hold this to this. Maybe like a minute. Anyway, I will be getting my new glasses in a few days, so hopefully this will last me. I only have one good glasses here. Yeah, I'm not sure it's tight enough. I might have to apply it one more. I'm not sure. Yeah, I don't think it's tight. Look at that. Nope, didn't work very well. Maybe I don't hold it long enough. I don't want to put more stuff here, just make more mess. Yeah, doesn't seem like it's holding long enough here. Oh well. Yeah, it's not working right. Maybe I didn't do it right, I'm not sure, but or it's taking longer to cure. Yeah, I think I'm not, like I say, I'm not gonna go ahead and reapply it again. It's just gonna make more mess. I don't think it's strong enough to hold it. So I just have to be careful, and I guess I'll wait until my new glass arrive. So I make a little mess here, so. Well, I probably have to return the product here from Amazon. Okay, thanks so much for watching. I guess this product doesn't, in my case, doesn't work very well. At least the curing time is probably longer, I'm not sure. I mean, I hold it like a minute, but it didn't seem to bond at all. Well, thanks for watching, and hope you have helpful information for you know, from this review. Again, you can try it on other material or your glass and see how it goes. Thanks for watching again. Bye for now, and take care.